make a perfect yogurt parfait, first prepare the ingredients. Wash and dry your fresh berries and slice up the strawberries. Then measure out your yogurt and granola.
1 cup of Greek yogurt with 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or agave for sweetness.
Spoon about half of the Greek yogurt into a serving glass. Now, sprinkle half of the mixed berries over the yogurt layer. Add half of the granola for a crunchy layer. Next, repeat the layers by adding the remaining yogurt, top with the remaining berries, and finish with the rest of the granola. Serve immediately, or keep the granola separate and add it just before eating remaining berries if preparing ahead.